profitable business that you can start now just after the lockdown. People are torn in between indecision of, oh, do I start a business? Do I go back to my 9 to 5? What then can I do? Like there's this reality on every one of us now that having just a 9 to 5 is not enough, and having one stream of income is not enough. Like, we need multiple streams of income. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. Yes, as you know, this is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel, and on this channel I get to talk about business ideas that you can start, ways and how you can grow your business, and of course, because I'm passionate about extra streams of income, I motivate you to monetize your skill. Is there anything you are knowledgeable at? These are ways you could make extra income. And being a new entrepreneur myself, I talk about my entrepreneurship journey. I share products, services and platforms that has made these journeys easy so far. Does this sound interesting to you? Is this something you want to be a part of? Then you know what to do, right? Subscribe, and don't just subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come back to watch my videos. Yes, and I also wanted to share these videos. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my content. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your likes. Yes. And I can see that we have some new crews on the block. You're all welcome. Good to have you in our midst. Like I always say, it's going to be a jolly good ride together on the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel. Yeah. What's happening in today's video? Oh my God, today is a super special edition. Yeah. There she goes again. Yes, I'll let you know in the next slide why today is a special edition.
Guys, I'm glad to be here on ExtraStepsCeo's channel. My name is Uche Nwezi, a Port Harcourt Nigerian-based YouTuber. I vlog about business idea. I talk about my faith. I'm a Christian, and I do a lot of lifestyle, real raw lifestyle content. So if you love my video, or if you love this face you're seeing, please, after watching ExtraStepsCeo, head over to my channel. We did a collaboration too. Spoke about some businesses you can start in Nigeria right now, this post-pandemic booming business, you guys. So I'll be waiting for you guys, and if you're coming from my channel, please do wait to leave in the comment section and tell me you're coming from ExtraStepsCeo's channel. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.
So you see, this video is a collaboration between myself and Uche Nwezi, my Port Harcourt queen. That's what I call her. You need to go to her channel. She talks about business ideas that you can start in Nigeria and that can spread beyond Nigeria. She blogs about her lifestyle in Port Harcourt, and she talks about her marriage and her faith. You really want to go to Uche's channel to see what she's on about. Like, you will be glued. Okay, so in today's video we would be sharing profitable business that you can start now. I want you to go over to Uche's channel just after you watch this video and see what she has to say about business that you can start in Nigeria and beyond just after this lockdown. Okay, and for everyone that came over from Uche's channel, I welcome you. Good to have you in our midst. It's going to be a jolly ride together on the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel. Thank you for coming over. So business ideas that you can start now, because I know so many people are torn in between indecision of, oh, do I start a business? Do I go back to my 9 to 5? What then can I do? Like, there's this reality on every one of us now that having just a 9 to 5 is not enough, and having one stream of income is not enough. Like, we need multiple streams of income. The events that we are recovering from in the world is like a shock to everyone. No matter how established you think you are, this event shocked everybody, and it took everyone by surprise. So if you are still in doubt if you need to start a business, then that's a serious matter. All right, so in today's video, the first business idea I'll be sharing is affiliate marketing. Yeah, affiliate marketing is when you sell a third party's product and you're being paid a commission. So during this lockdown, I'm sure so many of us have used some products or services that we can recommend for people. I'm sure, and I kid you not, if you have such products or services that you've used, you can approach the manufacturer or the service providers that, oh, I can market this for you, and for every sales I bring in, I will have a commission. That's the way affiliate marketing works. And there are lots of platforms, there are lots of websites that offers affiliate commission for sales. So affiliate marketing is something that most businesses would thrive with at this time. They need people to recommend them. They need people to be their mouthpiece. So affiliate marketing is a business that you should consider now. Number 2 on my list today is digital media and entertainment marketing. Can you develop an app that will make people's life easier? Can you come up with a way of entertainment? Recently, I heard and I read about drive-through cinemas. It's something you could start. That's an entertainment business. If you have a cinema already, you could just start thinking of making it a drive-through cinema. Then number 3, if you can develop an online collaboration tools, like what people can use for conference meetings, if you can develop this, or if you can sell such products or software, people would buy it. And you can start an online training. And there are so many websites that you could use. You could use Teachable, you could use Udemy. Then number 4, e-commerce. I'm sure people like e-commerce. But what are you talking about? Yes, you could start e-commerce, build a marketplace where people could list their products and sell. So a platform where people come to shop and pay for listing. Any product that is listed on your website and people buy, you have a cut in it. There's another thing that I saw during this lockdown on Instagram. There's this big brand, and what she did was online trade fair. They had a marketplace for people where people went to shop and they sold out. So this is something you can look into. This is a business you can start. Start e-commerce, be a marketplace for people to come and buy and sell. Marketing services. What do I mean by marketing services business? There are so many businesses that don't have online presence. You could approach them, that you could help them develop their social media platform and market service to them. Like, this is what you would do for them. You could help them with their email marketing. You could help them with their social media strategy. So these are services that you can market to people around you. Build a platform for this. Build a website, build an Instagram page. So look into it. You say, oh my God, what she has been saying all day is just about online, online, online. Wait for it. Though you need an online presence, but it's not something you cannot do it online. And what are these businesses? Number 1, being a grocery shopper. Yeah, you could help people shop for groceries and deliver it at their doorstep. Grocery shopping services. What do you need to get this done? What you need is maybe a Google form so that you could send it out to people to fill the form, and an Instagram page. Today is cleaning services. You can start a cleaning service business. I'm sure like never before that would be in demand now. Like, okay, everybody wants to be conscious of their environment. So last one I'm going to mention, consulting services. If you are knowledgeable in stock, if you are knowledgeable in investment, you can start a consulting business just to let people know how to invest now at this time. Like, everybody needs someone to guide them now with their investment and a financial advisor. So if these are things you are good at, then you could start such business. Then the last one is medical equipment. Like, are you for real? Yeah, medical equipment. Oh, it's so overrated. Everybody's going into it. Do yours with a twist. For these businesses that I've mentioned today, you need to be active on LinkedIn or Twitter. These are 2 platforms that people visit more these days. LinkedIn and Twitter, and Instagram online presence as well. But for these businesses, LinkedIn and Twitter is a tool you want to use for your lead at each time. Well, I've seen quite a number of inquiries going on LinkedIn and Twitter about these businesses. So act fast, position yourself strategically to get this business up and going. Let's go over to Uche's video to hear our own business ideas that you can start. I'm going to leave the link right in the comment section and in the description box as well. Just click on that link and it will take you to our channel. If there's any business that you are into, or that you've heard about, or that you've read about and you've heard people talk about at this time, please share it with us in the comment section. And if you're seeing this face for the first time and you've not subscribed, what then are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and always come back to watch my videos. Every of Uche and Nwezi's people that came to my channel today, thank you for coming. Good to have you here. The more the merrier. All my existing subscribers, thank you. You are the best. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Thank you and bye now. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's so good to be back again today with something juicy, spicy and hot. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with something juicy, hot. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. Yes, yeah, that I'm always saying that. Don't worry, I'm working on that. I don't think I am. Then if you're still in doubt if you need to start a business, if you can render online tutorials or like be an educationist in some areas, that's what we call digital media. Number two is digital media and entertainment services. If you are into IT, if you can develop a app that will make people's life easy. Number two is digital marketing and entertainment. This next part, kid you not. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And if you are into any business that you think would thrive at this time, it would be so good if you can leave. It would be good if you can drop it. It would be good if you can share it. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and let's continue to let's